For question number 1, you first use the distributive property on both sides of the equal sign. Using the distributive property is multiplication. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Equals 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 5 is a positive 30. To solve the equation, you need to combine like terms from both sides of the equal sign. You look for the smaller variable, which is 4x, and you subtract 4x from each side. When you subtract 4x, you are left with negative 12 equals 6x minus 4x is 2x plus 30. To isolate your variable, you use your additive inverse to subtract 30 on both sides. Negative 12 and negative 30 are the same signs, so we add and keep. So negative 42 equals 2x. And to isolate your variable, you divide by 2 on both sides, and x equals negative 21. For number 2, which prism has a greater surface area? We need to find the surface area for both of the figures. First, we write our formula. Surface area equals 2 length times width plus 2 length times height plus 2 width times height. We need to label our figure. 9 is your length, 9 is your width, and 9 is your height. Now we substitute in. S equals 2 times 9 times 9 plus 2 times 9 times 9 plus 2 times 9 times 9. When you do this, you need to use order of operations first. So you first do your multiplication. When you do your multiplication, 2 times 9 is 162 plus 162 plus 162. Next, with order of operations, you add, and your surface area is 486 centimeters squared. But we're not done. We need to compare that to the surface area of our next figure. So we first write our formula. S equals 2 length times width plus 2 length times height plus 2 width times height. Now we need to label our figure. 5 is the length, 15 is the width, and 7 is the height. So now we substitute. Surface area equals 2 times 5 times 15 plus 2 times 5 times 7 plus 2 times 15 times 7. Using order of operations, we multiply first all of our multiplication. 2 times 5 times 15 is 150 plus 2 times 5 times 7 is 70 plus 2 times 15 times 7 is 210. Lastly, we need to add 150 plus 70 plus 210 is 430 centimeters squared. But we're not done. The question asks, which prism has a greater surface area? Looking at our two surface areas, this surface area is larger, so the cube has a larger surface area.